Here we have a 2017 Bayliner 160 Element. It's a 16-foot deck boat, single axle trailer with a swing tongue, little swim platform on each side, has a 60 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard, swim ladder. Go inside here. It is rated for 6 people. In the back here, you can take that center cushion out if you want to sit against the side and put your feet down. Does have a depth finder and a speedo, Bluetooth stereo, cell phone chargers. The seat here is kind of neat. If you're short, like I am, you can push that cushion back and you'll have a little more leg room. 2 seats over there to sit and talk to the driver. Lots of cup holders. 2 loungers in the front. Grab handles. It's a nice little boat to take from lake to lake. Does have a bimini and a cover. Easy to hose out the floor if it's dirty. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.